Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious grilled ciabatta panzanella. This salad is the perfect combination of a fresh summer produce, ciabatta bread, and fresh herbs tossed together and done in about 20 minutes. Okay, so I have beef steak tomatoes, basil, English cucumber, parsley, salt, black pepper, shallots, extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, 1 ciabatta bread, half lengthwise, a garlic clove, and mozzarella pearls. First, I'm going to start and prep the grill for medium heat, and while that's heating, I'll cut my vegetables and the herbs. Chop the tomatoes, cucumber, basil, and parsley and add to a bowl. Next, finely chop the shallots and add to a large bowl along with your vinegar, oil, pepper, and salt, and whisk it all together. Time to grill the bread, but before I do, I'm going to brush the cut side with the remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place on the grill, cut side down, and close the lid. Cook for about 10 minutes, turning once. You want the bread lightly toasted, and you want those nice charred grill marks as well. I have the garlic clove here, and I'm gonna rub it across the bread for flavor and then tear it into bite-sized pieces. What's left? To put it all together, add the mozzarella, tomato mixture, and the bread mixture to the oil and toss. You want everything nice and coated to soak up the juices from the tomatoes and the dressing. This panzanella can make the perfect one-bowl meal or a stunning side dish to just about anything. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.